Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 prayer idioms and phrases. Number 1, say a prayer. It means a quick, hopeful request to a higher power for good luck or help. Example, before the big interview, she took a moment to say a prayer. Number 2, send up a prayer. It means to silently or quickly ask for divine help in a moment of need. Example, as the storm hit, the captain sent up a prayer for calm seas. Number 3, answer to one's prayers. It means something or someone that perfectly solves a problem, like a wish granted. Example, the new neighbor who fixed our roof for free was an answer to our prayers. Number 4, pray for a miracle. It means to desperately hope for an unlikely or impossible positive outcome. Example, with the team down by 20 points, fans could only pray for a miracle. Number 5, keep in your prayers. It means to regularly include someone in your thoughts and prayers for support. Example, during her illness, friends promised to keep her in their prayers. Number 6, a prayer on one's lips. It means being on the verge of praying, often due to fear or urgency. Example, with the car skidding, he had a prayer on his lips. Number 7, don't have a prayer. It means no chance whatsoever of success. Example, against that champion team, we didn't have a prayer. Number 8, prayer warrior. It means a person who prays frequently and fervently, often for others. Example, Grandma is our family's prayer warrior during tough times. Number 9, lip service to prayer. It means pretending to pray or be faithful without real sincerity or action. Example, he gives lip service to prayer but never follows through with kindness. Number 10, wing and a prayer. It means doing something with minimal resources or little chance of success. Example, the hikers were lost in the mountains with no map and a dead phone. They made it back on a wing and a prayer. Hey prayer pros, we nailed those 10 prayer idioms and phrases. Like, subscribe for more such lessons with me, and keep those prayers and idioms coming. See ya!